If nursing documentation feels confusing, overwhelming, or like a giant legal trap, you're not alone. By the end of this video, it's going to finally make sense. Here's the thing. What you chart matters just as much as the care you give. So let's break down nursing documentation in plain language. No fluff, no jargon. So what is nursing documentation? It's the written record of everything you observe, assess, and do for a patient. Think of it as the story of your patient's care, told clearly enough that anyone on the team can pick up right where you left off. Why does it matter so much? 4 big reasons. 1. Patient safety. Good notes prevent errors like a missed med or a repeated test. 2. Continuity of care. The next nurse relies on your chart to keep care smooth. 3. Legal protection. If it wasn't documented in the eyes of the law, it wasn't done. And 4. Communication. Your notes keep the whole care team on the same page. Now here's the part nobody really explains: how to chart well. Let's go through the best practices. Number 1, chart objectively. Write what you see and measure, not what you assume. Say, patient stated pain is 8 out of 10, not patient seems fine. Number 2, document promptly. Chart as soon as you can. Waiting means forgotten details, and details matter. Number 3, be accurate and complete. Include the facts, the time, and your actions. If a section applies, don't leave it blank. Number 4, skip judgmental language. Words like rude or difficult don't belong. Describe the behavior instead. Number 5, use only approved abbreviations. Random shorthand causes dangerous mix-ups. When in doubt, spell it out. Number 6, correct errors the right way. Draw a single line through the mistake, write error, then add your initials. Never scribble it out or use whiteout. Number 7, protect patient privacy. Follow HIPAA, log off, never share passwords, and keep patient info secure. So quick recap: chart objectively, chart promptly, stay accurate, drop the judgment, use approved abbreviations, fix errors properly, and guard privacy. Nail those and your documentation becomes a strength, not a stressor. You've got this. Documentation is a skill, and like any skill, it gets easier with practice. So here's the takeaway. Good notes protect your patients and protect you. If this helped, drop your biggest documentation question in the comments. I read every one. And hit subscribe for more nursing topics explained simply. See you in the next one.